Hi there, Lori again here on Vancouver Island, and today I'm pouring another record, and this time I'm going to be using reds and yellows just to try them together. So I have in the reds, I've got crimson, Christmas red, scarlet red, and deep red. And then in the yellows, I have a daffodil yellow and a lemon yellow. And I'm going to use a white base. And I'm going to do a squiggle pour. And I'm going to blow it all over the place. And we're going to see what happens. So yeah, I'm going to spread my white paint and we'll get started. So these guys just turned out beautifully. And maybe a little bit of a stretch for the colors. Not what I'm usually using, but oh my gosh, they look beautiful together. I don't know where that gold came from. But there it is. Interesting. Got some cool cells in some different colors, and yeah, it just looks stunning. And then look at this one over here. Just beautiful, right? Like, look, it's got little splotches of fire in it and some really cool cell action going on. Anyway, I just love both of these, even though they're not out of my favorite colors. So I guess you can like things in all colors. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping in and spending some of your day with me today. I do appreciate every minute that you take to spend with me, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye now.